In this video, we're going to show you how you can work with list views to get better real-time insight for the work orders that your team may be assigned. The first thing we want to do to get started with work orders and list views is we want to go to the work order tab. So if you don't see the work order tab across the top, hit the plus button. Scroll down and you'll see all the tabs that are available to you. And you will see the work order icon. Click on that. This takes us to the work order homepage. On the homepage, you'll see at the very top list views that are available. And you'll see some that are related to maybe the queue that you're working on. Or you may see a list view that says work orders older than 24 hours, work orders completed in less than 24 hours. So when you open up one of the customer queues that you may be assigned to, this is going to show you all of the work orders. So as you can see here, we can see the ones that are closed. Let's say we want to create a work order view that shows us only the ones that are open, so it cleans this view up a little bit. So to do that, we're going to hit Create New View. Give the view a name. Work orders in process. And click Enter. It's going to enter a unique name. The next thing you want to do is you may want to say, I only want to see the ones assigned to a certain queue. So I'm going to select my queue. Then I want to set a filter. So filter by additional fields. So I want to only see the ones that are open. So I'm going to search for status. And the operator I'm going to use is equals, or optionally I can use not equal to, which may be easier for this view, because I only want to see the open ones. So that means they're not closed. So click on the lookup, and I'm going to say not equal to close. Insert selected. If I want to add another filter, I can do that. But because I already have this set for the A to B queue, it's only going to show the ones assigned in that queue. Now I want to scroll down and select the fields to display. I don't need the account because I know these are assigned to the A to B queue. I want to see maybe the assigned to, who is working on this. Close date's not relevant. Maybe the contact, a description, the due date. So this will be important so I can see the ones that maybe have a due date in the past. I can see the location. And so basically any field that is on the work order you can add to this list view. I'm going to add type. So if you want to move these around in the list view, this is how the columns display. So I'm going to click on type. I want to see that as the second column. So click on it and then hit the up arrow. And then I want to make this visible to only me. And save. So this will show me a list of the work in process work orders. You can filter those and sort by clicking on the type, the contact, the due date. And so this will give you a good view. I can see I have 15 records here. Now this is a real-time query, so once the work order does not meet this criteria, means that it is closed, it will not appear in this list view. So there's no need to go in and update this list view. I think you'll find that creating additional list views will give you better insight into the status of the work orders to ensure that they're being closed out in a timely fashion. And that wraps up creating list views for work orders.